Manny Pacquiao, welcome back to the Philippines.
Salamat, salamat.
So, ang sarap naman ng honeymoon nyo sa Italy, kayong dalawa ng Lee Jinky. Can you make me kwento about it? How was it?
Okay, masaya. Excited. Very exciting vacation para dahil marami kaming napuntahan ng mga lugar.
Oo.
Nakalimutan ko yung mga pangalan pero Amalfi,
yeah.
Tapos Positano.
Oo.
Ano ba yan?
You did so many things. Sightseeing, you rode a yacht, you ate so many food. Ano yung favorite part ng vacation mo? At kaninong idea ba yon?
Favorite part is pag naglakad ka doon, hihingalin ka.
Dahil paakyat lahat.
Paakyat.
Right. Whose idea was that to go there after the fight?
Si Jinky.
Oh, so you had a good time naman?
Okay naman kami. Kasi ano lang kami, 4 lang kami.
I know. So Manny, let's talk about the fight muna. It's been a few weeks. Kamusta na yung katawan mo? Were you able to recover?
Okay
Are
naman,
you
okay naman,
tired
okay naman.
or no? Anong feeling
Okay
ng
lang,
katawan
okay lang.
mo?
Okay naman. Wala naman. After nga nung fight ko mga 3 days, 4 days, nag-jogging ulit ako.
And golf.
Nag-golf.
Oh, so meaning meron ka pang gasolina, hindi pa like super
Hindi pa.
tired. How did you prepare for the fight? Paano mo nakuha yung ganung kondisyon na you were able to have an amazing performance for 12 rounds na very intense against a much younger and taller opponent? Paano mo nagawa yun, Manny? In 2 months?
Actually, talagang naghahabol ako sa oras. Talagang wala akong ibang iniisip kundi focus lang sa training every day. Like even Sunday, pupunta lang ako sa church and then balik sa condo and then balik sa condo and then pahinga para next day continue naman na yung training. So, ganun ang ginagawa ko. So, focus na talaga ako sa training. Walang ibang distraction, anything like that. For 2 months. Kasi naghahabol ako sa oras. Supposedly, yung mga ganung fight, dapat mga 3.5 months o 4 months. Especially sa edad ko na 46, di ba?
Yeah.
So, kailangan ng at least 3.5 months minimum.
But you got it.
2 months, like, naghahabol ako ng but pasalamat ako dahil God is good.
Yes,
Nakuha ko pati yung stamina na gusto kong maabot na naabot natin.
Nakuha mo yung time to go run up Griffith Park, yung lagi mong hinahabol?
Yes,
you did? You got it?
yes.
30 ilang minutes ba yun?
Inakit ko pa yung Hollywood sign.
Wow.
Sa taas.
So, I'm sure you watched the fight again. Did you watch a replay of the fight?
Nanood ako.
Okay, so happy ka ba sa nakita mo? Anong comment mo sa sarili mo sa laban?
For me kasi hindi man sa pagbuhat ng upuan,
Yeah.
for 4 years na layoff, walang fight.
Yeah.
And then 12 rounds yung intense yung kalaban ko younger than me, so satisfied ako sa naging condition ko, but hindi pa talaga yun yung 100% na gusto kong makuha, achieve na yung speed, yung timing, yung more punches na gusto kong maabot. Kaya lang 2 months, for 2 months training, okay na.
Yeah. But good for that short period of time.
Yes.
So, ibig sabihin, lalaban ka pa ulit. Kasi sabi mo, hindi ka
God willing.
So, will you be fighting again kaya this year again, Manny? Everyone's asking.
This year, mga December.
Talaga? Sa US ulit?
Yes.
So, you're excited. Were you excited everyday training? How did it feel to get back inside the MGM na ang daming tao chanting your name just like the old times?
History din yun dahil ako pinakamaraming fight sa MGM. Nag-isa, ako lang nag-isa. And then, pangalawa, yung excitement ko sa training, yung discipline, how the way I discipline myself, like for 2 months, nakuha ko yung condition ko. So, maganda sa akin yung 4 years na pahinga.
Talaga?
Parang ano ba?
Yeah.
But yan ay hiningin natin sa Panginoon. God answered our prayer. And dito ako.
How did it feel to have all those Filipinos back there? Yung just like old times. Anong
nakangiti ako papunta sa arena, like wow, I remember, narinig ko yung yung dati
It was
namin.
so good. Good
So
to be
good, so
back.
good, yeah.
And what about your family? All complete for the first time because Jimel was there na. How did that feel to have all your kids with you?
Kumbaga, inspired ako dahil kumpleto yung mga anak ko,
Yeah.
asawa ko nandoon. So, ang lakas na sumigaw.
Yeah. So, gusto nila na lumaban ka ulit. They told you after the fight. You were
Hindi ko
happy.
alam, hindi ko sila tinanong.
Well, that's